Rockin Rock Plus Laundry Scoop, Lavendar by Rockin Green is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper laundry detergent products. The Rockin Green Classic Concentrate formula is great for people with Goldie Locks water, not too hard and not too soft. Rockin Green Laundry Detergent is an eco-friendly way to get your whole family's clothes clean. It works hard on dirt and stains while being gentle to the environment and your budget. Included is one of Rockin Green's new scoops to use with your laundry detergent. Made from sturdy recycled plastic with a long handle that reaches easily into the bag. Measurement is 1 TBS. Scoop is only available in green. Phosphate-free, scent-free, SLS-free B00 KVOZZDC. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Eco-friendly way to get your whole family's clothes clean, including cloth diapers. All the manufacturer's ingredients are biodegradable, even the packaging is 100% recyclable. Scoop is made from sturdy recycled plastic with a long handle. Scoop measurement is 1 TBS. Phosphate-free, SLS-free.